Today I'm here at the petrol station to unload fuel. Whether you're at the oil depot or the petrol station, eliminating static electricity is always a crucial step. Touch with your right hand, then touch with your left hand. Double check if the delivery note matches the seal, and make sure the seal is intact. Also, place the fire safety equipment in the designated spot. Get everything you need ready in advance, and check the seal again. Open the cover and connect the oil and gas recovery pipe. Now, take a bit of oil from each tank. We'll need these samples to measure the density later. Don't waste the sampled oil either, every drop is as precious as gold. Connect the oil transfer hose.
Come, the one parked in the middle.
The driver is securing the oil transfer hose and checking the length of the pipe. Wow. The driver is unloading the oil. We can take the opportunity to do a density test and also check if there's any water or impurities in the oil. Once the oil is fully unloaded, we can disconnect the hose.
Here.
Direct the driver to move the truck just a little bit.
All right. Forward, keep going forward.
After the truck moves, the oil in the tank can be emptied even more thoroughly. We paid for every bit, so not a drop should be left. Pour it all in. Once the equipment is packed up, there's just one last step. We still need to check if there's any water in the oil we just loaded. If you forgot how to do this, you can go back and review the tuna Jeep cans. This oil is perfect, totally reliable. That's all for today's work. If you want to see what else I do, leave a comment below. Bye-bye, everyone.